Hello everyone, welcome back in your YouTube channel Mamta Mishra Vlog. So today we have Vivo T4 5G. I have one 8GB 128GB variant. So let's unbox this and see the specifications of this phone. So let's open. This is our phone looks like. It's 8GB and 128GB variant. So let's open. So this is our front look. It is quad curved display and its back panel look like this. It's phantom gray in color. That looks so premium. Despite of being 73 mAh battery phone, it's look like so thin and premium. And so if we talk about its camera, here we get 2 megapixel depth camera, 50 megapixel main OIS camera and one aura light. Its 50 megapixel main camera comes with Sony IMX882 OIS camera, and here we have also infrared blaster. So that's all about back panel. So this is all about this phone, and let's open the box. Here we got manual, quick guide and warranty card. Here we get cover in box, and this is 90-watt flash charge, and you can see, and here it is cable and one SIM injected tool. So let's finish the setup of this phone. So let's talk about its specification. So we have one 8GB 128GB variant. In this phone you get Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 5G processor, 2.5 GHz clock speed, 50 megapixel OIS camera and 2 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel front camera and 6.7 inch quad curved AMOLED display, 120 Hz and 7300 mAh battery. So now let's talk about product details. So we have 73 mAh battery and 90-watt flash charge, and it contains reverse charging, bypass charging, that you can charge your earbuds and phone through it by type C to type C cable. And it is India's slimmest smartphone with 73 mAh battery, 0.789 centimeter slim, and you can see also it is very slim. So, and also this is segment's brightest quad curve smartphone. We have 5000 nits peak brightness. You can see also it is so bright in outdoor and indoor also. And it is drop resist. It consists with screen protector and Scott sealed glass, and it is fastest smartphone in the segment with Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor with 820K plus Antutu score, 8,20,000 Antutu score. And if we talk about the Antutu score comparison, Vivo T4 has the highest, and competitor P has 8 lakhs and competitor M has 7,38,000. So we have Sony IMX882 AI camera that consists of 4K video recording, live photo and ultra clear night portraits. We have 32 megapixel front wide angle camera and 2 megapixel bokeh camera and 50 megapixel IMX882 OIS camera and one infrared blaster. Here you can see infrared blaster. And it consists of military grade durability, that is shock resistant, dust resistance and water resistance, and usage in low temperature environment, usage in high temperature environment, you can use anywhere. So that's all about the product details, and you can take a quick look of this phone. So we are going to finish this video. That's all about this phone. And I think here we got infrared blaster also, that you can use it in controlling your TV, AC and etc. You can use it as a remote. So if we talk about its camera, let's open the camera, and here you could look like this. It consists of 10x zoom and 10x zoom, portraits of 2x and 1x, 1.5x, and video you can record in 4K, and HDR also present. 180p you can record in 4K and 60 fps etc. And if we click on more button, here you get 50 megapixel camera, pano, ultra HD document, slow motion, time lapse, super moon and pro. So here we get lots of option. We have night mode also present. So this is all about its camera. And let's talk about its UI. So let me open setting. Let's go in about phone. Here we get Origin OS 6 and vivo for 5G. This is phone name, this is processor, this is storage, RAM 8GB plus 8GB extended. You can extend the RAM, and storage compensation 10GB. That takes to extend your RAM, and battery capacity 73 mAh. And here you get Android 16. So that's all about this phone. Thanks for watching. Bye.